Why are prescription drug prices so high? It turns out, big pharma and insurance companies are working together to keep prices inflated while blocking access to cheaper alternatives. Whistleblowers are now exposing backdoor deals that rig the system, and the government is finally taking notice. Here's how it works. First, big pharma sets high drug prices. Then, they offer rebates to insurance companies. In exchange, insurers agree to prioritize expensive drugs over cheaper alternatives. As a result, patients end up paying more. What looks like a discount is actually a way to keep drug prices inflated while blocking cheaper generic drugs from the market. The US pays more for prescription drugs than any other country in the world. And here's why. Pfizer made $100 billion in revenue last year. Moderna made $36 billion, even though their vaccines were developed with public funding. Insurance executives are earning record bonuses, while patients struggle to afford life-saving medications. And who's blocking price regulation bills? Lawmakers who receive millions in campaign donations from big pharma. The pharmaceutical industry spends hundreds of millions of dollars each year lobbying Congress to block efforts to cap drug prices, fight against Medicare negotiating lower prices, keep insulin prices high, even though it costs just a few dollars to make. The result? Patients continue to suffer while corporate profits soar. But now, the pressure is building. The DOJ and state attorneys general have launched antitrust lawsuits against pharmaceutical companies and insurance firms. Some lawmakers are pushing for Medicare drug price negotiations to become mandatory. Patient advocacy groups are demanding an end to secret rebate deals that drive up costs. Will this finally lead to real reform? Or will big pharma's influence in Washington block progress yet again? For decades, drug companies and insurers have controlled the system. So what do you think? Should the government crack down on these backroom deals? Or is this just how the industry works? Like this video, follow our page, and stay tuned. We're just getting started. If you have insider information on healthcare fraud or corporate corruption, visit sunlight.org to help expose the truth.